Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen since 2 weeks, that means leaving this particular week, previously 2 weeks are in red candle as you can see, but for this particular week we have seen a green candle is forming. Okay, and the range we have seen the price is at a range of around $2.0650 and a range of around 1.6206. This is the range we have seen. So we have not seen a good volatility compared to previously. If you look at these ranges, we have seen there is a more of volatility as we have seen in this 4-5 weeks. Now what we can see looking at this particular chart, see, whenever it is going in a zone and move out of upside or fall, we have seen a good movement happens. See, if you look at this trend, a good movement happened twice. After that there is a zone breakout happened in this, we have seen a fall. So similarly there is a probability that as soon as it moves out of this zone, a further downfall we can see, or if it move out of this zone, we have seen a further fall we can see in this particular level. Now if you are new to my channel, you should know that how the natural gas price has moved previously. So understand that when the price was moving in a zone of $3 and $2, okay, which is was around for 8 months, and then as soon as it moves out of this zone, it made a half around 3.5 and 3.6. Okay, after that it didn't sustain, and we have not seen this level since, you can say, in the month of November of 23. So 5 months being there, it is continuously in the downtrend, and two patterns are supporting here. The bigger pattern is this particular pattern. So chances can be high that if the price started falling below a level of 1.6, we will see there will be a further fall, because this level we have not seen it since 2020. So chances can be are very high after 4 years a further downfall we can see, and it can go towards its all-time high, or this particular pattern is supporting, but for that the price has to move above a level of 2.5. So if the price started moving off that level, a further upside movement we can see. Now you have to see the dollar index also, because the price of natural gas is some of the part is depend on natural gas, so the other factors are also there. See, suppose if any country import natural gas, what will happen then? Suppose if it with this amount of dollars, when the price of dollar index moving up, the dollar price increases, but the quantity is same. So import and export, there is the difference what we see. Okay, now if you look at the dollar index, you will see that there are patterns forming in dollar index if we go on a weekly wise. Okay, this U pattern is forming here, and this particular pattern and this M pattern is trying to form at this level. So keep it in mind that as soon as if the price start fall below a level of 103.8, a further fall we can see. Okay, but it has to move below a level of 10. See, now it is moving over level of 104. So if it started going below a level of 103.8, then it has to move below a level of 1.3, then only we will see it will further fall. And if it is falling, then we can see there will be a rise in natural gas price, because they are inversely related. Okay, and other factors are also dependent. So you have to understand that this is the chances that we can see it can fall if the price fall below this level. But if it started rising, as I've already explained you, if the price started going over 103.8, chances are very high it can go further high. See, now it is moving above a level of 104, and if started going above that level and it sustain above a level of 104.5, then there is a higher chances this particular pattern will support towards an upside. So natural gas price can fall further low. As we have seen, the election will be also be there, so probability can be high that the dollar index can move strengthen more. Okay, and so if we look at again now the natural gas price, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail id in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, now let's see if the price sustain this level. If the price sustain this level, it can cross a level of around 1.8797, because this level is already being tested. Okay, and from there a probability of crossing a level of 1.9320 is there. Okay, if the price keep moving off that particular level, a further upside we can see towards a level of $2.0460. Okay, and if that sustain, from there a probability of moving towards a level of 2.1046 is there. Once the price started going above that particular zone, a further upside we can see towards a level of $2.3470, and if that sustained, a further upside we can see towards a level of $2.528. Okay, and if the price keep moving above that particular zone, a further upside we can see towards a level of $2.752266. Okay, now if the price keep moving above that particular level, what we can see, then chances will be very high the price above a level of 2.7, it will go towards a level of 2.9, and from there a probability of crossing a level of $3 we can see. Once the price started sustaining of $3, we will see a level of 3.3, then from a level of 3.5 also we can see, and from there a further upside movement we can see towards 3.6, and chance of going further high we can see. Now understand, see, market is always uncertain, so if you are setting your SL, you will save your capital, and if you are trailing your SL, you will save your profit. Most of the people don't set SL. Okay, that is where they lose their full capital. If you are see, if you are losing 2%, 1% of the capital, you can recover. But if you are losing 20%, 30% of your capital, you will try to recover that and you lose the full capital. This is most of the mistake people do. And suppose if you started in profit, see, first of all, when you trade SL you can keep, but once you started in profit, try to trail the profit. Okay, why? Because if you are taking that profit home, your risk appetite will increase, your consistency will increase, and then you can trade better in the future. So suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of $1.7640. Okay, and if that level didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards $1.6553. Suppose if the price fall below that particular zone, a further fall we can see towards a level of $1.5979. Okay, and if that level move further down, then we will see it will fall further low towards a level of 1.5316. Okay, if the price keep moving below a level of 1.5316, then we will see it will fall further below a level of 1.5 and a probability of touching 1.4 also we can see, then to a level of 1.3. Keep that in mind, there is a higher chances as soon as it started going below this level, a further fall we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'm giving the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you